Okay, so just as I'm coming upon finishing the left side of the bracelet, I need to add on file line. And I want to show you my secret way of how I do that. And because we're going to be going down one more time, back over and up one more time, I'm going to do just about 3/4 of a yard. So that's pretty much from your nose tip to your fingertip. And I'm going to show you this handy dandy knot. I take the end that's on my bracelet and the new thread that I'm adding, and I like to do a slip knot. And the reason why I do a slip knot is it enables me to get that right down onto my work. So there's my slip knot. Give it a nice little pull. And then that knot enables you to bring it right down onto your work. But that knot is not sturdy. I can pull that right out. So now you're going to do your surgeon's knot again. Right over left. Left over right, left over right. Wrap it 2 times when I say left over, left over. And there you go. So by doing the slip knot, it let me get my first knot right down onto the work. And then you do the surgeon's knot after to secure that knot. And then you're just going to cut it right above. Once again, look at your tension. Thread your needle and then go ahead and finish your second row.